Greetings everyone. Welcome back to English grammar class. Today we will discuss present continuous tense. This tense refers to the form of the verb that indicates an action in the progress at the time of speaking or writing. As we know, progressive tense or a continuous tense is indicate an action that is incomplete and still in progress. Let's see the sentence structure of present continuous tense. We use subject plus is-am-are and present participle plus object. For example, I am writing a letter. The firemen are putting out the fires. A cat is carrying its kitten in its mouth. You can see with different subjects we use different helping verbs. Is used with he, she, it or singular persons. Are is used with I, we, you, they and plural persons. And am is used with only the subject I. The negative sentence is formed by putting not after is-am-are. See some examples. I am not playing. We, you or they are not playing. He, she or it is not playing. The interrogative sentence is formed by placing is-am-are before the subject. Example, is she reading a book? Are they building a new house? Am I going to London next week? Present continuous tense is used to express an action happening at the time of speaking. For example, we are going to school. I am learning English. He is reading a story. In these sentences, the action is happening at the time of speaking. This tense is also used to express a definite arrangement in the near future. That means to describe an action that will take place in the near future. For example, I am going to watch a film tomorrow. The following example is telling the subject is speaking now and talking about the future plan. Present continuous tense is also used to express an action in progress but not necessarily at the time of speaking. That means to describe an action that has been going on over a period of time but may not be going on at the time of speaking. For example, Ashul is going to the gym these days. One more example you can see, he is teaching English at the high school.